Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. I am here with a tiny little haul from Tuesday morning. Really didn't find much and just was in the mood to. Snow was coming and I think I just felt like buying some stuff. But I did find some Happy Jig. This is the wired twine and it's $4.99, but they have it in the robin's egg and the pink, and then they had it in the blue and in the red. So this goes with the Happy Jig, which is also this pack as well, which I already have this, but one I got another one because, yeah, this is a neutral pack, just because I know at some point they're going to run out of this stuff since it's on clearance and I won't be able to get it. And so I just thought I'd go ahead and keep that in my stash. Did get some letterpress hot pink ink. I didn't see what it was. It was 60% off of $3. That was the, yeah, that's the only reason why I got it. Same thing, this was 60% off this one. I may have already got this one. I don't think so. But, yeah, so I got that. The whimsical invite. And then I had the nerve to pick up another pack of napkins. I don't need napkins, but I did. This one says Shore. I like the color, and I just like the palm trees and the little shells in the background. So, and this was on clearance as well. All this was pretty much, you know, half this was clearance. So that's my little tiny little haul. You know, they had some beautiful papers. I wasn't impressed to get anything because they were $14.99, and you know, I can get them from Michael's online or whatever. But they did have some cute papers, a lot of great stacks. So if you're looking for some collections, you know, they had tons of different ones, and sticker packs as well. But that's it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.